Caligula, born Gaius Julius Caesar Augustus Germanicus in 12 CE, became one of the most infamous emperors in Roman history. His reign, marked by excess, cruelty, and madness, is often cited as a classic example of absolute power corrupting absolutely. Although he ruled for just 4 years, his legacy remains a symbol of despotism and tyranny. Caligula was born into the Julio-Claudian dynasty, a prestigious Roman family that produced several emperors, including Augustus, the first Roman emperor. His father, Germanicus, was a beloved general, and his mother, Agrippina the Elder, was a prominent member of the imperial family. Caligula's early years were spent in the spotlight, often accompanying his father on military campaigns. The nickname Caligula, meaning little boots, was given to him by the soldiers who found his miniature military attire endearing. After the death of Germanicus in 19 CE, Caligula's family faced turmoil. His mother and 2 brothers were arrested and exiled, likely due to their opposition to Tiberius, the reigning emperor. Caligula survived and was eventually brought to the island of Capri to live with Tiberius, where he witnessed the depravity and excess that would later influence his own reign. In 37 CE, upon Tiberius's death, Caligula was proclaimed emperor. Initially, his ascension was met with enthusiasm and relief, as many believed that the young emperor would bring stability and restore the honor of his family. Caligula's early reign was marked by generosity and a desire to win the favor of the Roman populace. He released political prisoners, reinstated exiles, and repealed oppressive taxes. These actions garnered him widespread support, and he was hailed as a savior of Rome. However, this period of goodwill was short-lived. After a severe illness, which some historians believe was a turning point in his behavior, Caligula's rule took a dark and erratic turn. Caligula's reign became increasingly characterized by cruelty, extravagance, and a disregard for Roman traditions and customs. He indulged in lavish spending, building grand palaces and hosting extravagant feasts. To fund his excesses, he imposed heavy taxes and extorted money from the wealthy. One of the most notorious aspects of Caligula's reign was his erratic and despotic behavior. He declared himself a living god, demanding worship and constructing temples in his honor. His public displays of divinity, including dressing as various deities and engaging in religious ceremonies, shocked and offended many Romans. Caligula's cruelty extended to the Roman Senate and his closest advisors. He humiliated senators by forcing them to run alongside his chariot, and he arbitrarily executed those who displeased him. His paranoia led to a climate of fear where even his inner circle felt threatened. Several events during Caligula's reign exemplify his tyranny and madness. One of the most famous stories is his appointment of his horse, Incitatus, as a priest. Although some historians believe this was intended to mock the Senate's ineffectiveness, it became a symbol of his eccentricity. Caligula's foreign policy was equally erratic. He launched a military campaign against Britain but never completed it, reportedly ordering his troops to collect seashells as spoils of war. He also engaged in costly and unnecessary battles which further strained the Roman treasury. Caligula's personal life was scandalous. He was rumored to have engaged in incest with his sisters and had several lovers, both male and female. His marriage to Caesonia, a commoner, and the birth of their daughter Julia Drusilla did little to curb his excesses. The mounting chaos and instability during Caligula's reign ultimately led to his assassination. In 41 CE, a group of conspirators, including members of the Praetorian Guard, plotted his murder. During a theatrical performance, Caligula was attacked and killed along with his wife and daughter. His death marked the end of a reign that had become synonymous with cruelty and madness. Caligula's legacy is complex. While his reign was brief, the stories of his tyranny and excess have endured. His behavior has become a cautionary tale about the dangers of absolute power and unchecked authority. Despite his notoriety, some historians argue that the most extreme stories about Caligula were exaggerated or fabricated by his successors to justify his assassination. Regardless of the historical accuracy of some accounts, Caligula remains one of the most notorious figures in Roman history, representing the dark side of imperial rule and the potential for power to corrupt. His reign serves as a reminder of the fragile nature of empires and the consequences of unchecked despotism.